What if I told you there's a simple massage you can do at home using nothing more than castor oil? That could bring back stronger performance and better circulation. No pills, no complicated routines. Just a few minutes of focused self-care that can make a real difference. Why erections change after 50? After 50, blood vessels stiffen, the prostate may enlarge, and long hours sitting weaken pelvic muscles. This combination reduces circulation, builds tension, and makes firmness harder to achieve. Why castor oil? Castor oil has been used for centuries to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and soothe tissues. It penetrates deeply, stimulates blood flow, relaxes muscles, and helps reduce swelling. Exactly what the pelvic region needs for better performance. The massage spot. Focus on the lower abdomen, the pubic region above the base of the penis, and the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus. This zone is rich in blood vessels and nerves that fuel erections. How to do it? Warm a small amount of oil in your hands. Lie on your back with knees bent, or stand comfortably. Start above the base of the penis and massage gently in circles. Move downward toward the perineum, applying light but steady pressure. Continue 3 to 5 minutes, up to 10 if comfortable. Focus on relaxation, warmth, and circulation, not speed. Timing and frequency. Best time is evening before bed, when your body is already preparing to repair and boost testosterone. Do this 3 to 4 times per week. Small, steady efforts matter more than intensity. Benefits you may notice. Over time, men often report firmer morning erections, less heaviness in the pelvis, fewer bathroom trips, and greater comfort during intimacy. Some even notice reduced back tension, improved posture, and better sleep. So here's my challenge. Try this castor oil spot massage for 3 weeks. Be consistent. Pay attention to your body, and watch how your energy, comfort, and confidence improve. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more trusted, practical advice on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is still capable of strength and confidence. You just have to give it the right support.